Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to name the various body parts in Korean language. This is the part 2 of our body parts in Korean series. If you have not watched the part 1 yet, then go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start with part 2. The first one is the Korean word for eyebrows, and that is 눈썹. 눈썹. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for shoulders, and that is 어깨. 어깨. Okay, next comes the Korean word for wrist, and that is 손목. 손목. Alright. Now comes the Korean word for chin, and that is 턱. 턱. Now let's see how to say teeth in Korean language, and teeth is E. E. Very easy. Okay, now let's see how to say forehead in Korean, and forehead is 이마. 이마. Okay, next comes the Korean word for lips, and that is 입술. 입술. We know the Korean word for mouth is 입, and for lips it is 입술. Okay, next comes the Korean word for waist, and that is 허리. 허리. Alright, now comes the Korean word for leg, and that is 다리. 다리. Okay, now let's see how to say fingers in Korean language, and that is 손가락. 손가락. Alright, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean words denoting the various body parts. Now, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.